What the heck is a Stirling engine? Brought to you by 4Eagle. So, what is a Stirling engine? The Stirling engine is an engine designed by Robert Stirling, and he modeled it after an air-powered engine. The first Stirling engine model was created at 1816, and the first real one was employed at a water quarry at 1818. How does the Stirling engine work? Well, the Stirling engine, or all Stirling engines, consist of two pistons, like these ones. One piston has a cooling unit, and the other piston has a heating unit, as you can see here. All the pistons rely on cyclic heating and cooling of air to power or produce electricity. We are now going to look at the alpha piston. The alpha piston starts off by heating this air in this piston right here, in the cylinder, pushing the piston downwards, causing the wheel to rotate. The wheel rotates further, now pulling the second piston with the cold piston, pulling it backwards, opening the air for cooling. So now all the air is cooling down. The momentum of the piston wheel pushes the other air even further outwards to the upside, causing all the air to not heat up anymore and only cool down. This pulls on the other piston, causing it to go east, so that the compressed air is now like a vacuum. Now we start at the step 1 again, where the piston momentum pulls down the arm, and the step cycle continues all over again.